Southern chili. Let me show you how to make it. Do a pound of ground beef and put your pot on medium-high heat. Get 3/4 of a cup of water. I never measure anything, so 2 teaspoons of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of paprika, half of a tablespoon of black pepper, and then 1 teaspoon of salt. And this sauce, I know I'm laughing because I'm not even going to try to say it, of this sauce. 1 teaspoon. One teaspoon of hot sauce. 1/4 of a cup of ketchup. And a pinch of sugar. And then we're going to keep on mixing. Like constantly stir it up. Boil it all the way till you get all the water completely out. We're going to add a half of an onion. You would want to keep on bringing it to that boil to get all that water out. Just about, almost all of it. Then get you some tomato paste whenever it comes to a good boil and all the water's out, reduced. Get you some tomato paste. Add 1 teaspoon. And then another. So 2 teaspoons altogether. Then we're going to mix. This is what it should look like once finished. And then let it simmer. The best southern chili you would ever eat, guys. I'm not playing. If you ever have like a cheerleading cook-off or something like that, this is the best ever. The best, I'm telling you. The best.